A way in which we can get a bit more specific about how we direct the healing energy is through using what we call the healing sounds, or the sounds of the organs. Traditionally in Chinese medicine and many other old medicines, or even different all cultures had an understanding of that the universe was formed by the combinations of elements. Okay, in Chinese medicine there's 5 main elements. There's water, there's wood, there's fire, there's earth, and there's metal. And each of those corresponds to an organ, corresponds to a color, to a season. Okay, there's a whole there's a whole system of teachings based on that. But something very simple that we can do without having to know much is to become aware that each of the main organs corresponds to one of those healing patterns that we associate to a color and to a sound. So this is a phenomenal practice that just takes a few seconds, a couple minutes at the most, that we can do in the morning and in the evening, and helps keep the organs in much better health. So what we're going to do is first we're going to bring the attention to the lungs and become aware of the lungs. Then inhale white light. And as you exhale, you're going to make the sound as you exhale. What you feel is that white light vibrating, radiating in the lungs and healing the lungs. So it's going to be the same process for each of the organs. We're going to inhale light, we're going to see how the light vibrates, and as we exhale we're going to make the sound. Okay, so now we're just going to go through each of the organs. We're going to start on the lungs. In, bring in white light, and exhaling the sound. And smiling. Then the next organ in the cycle are the kidneys. Dark blue light here in the mid-back on the kidneys. Inhale the blue light and exhale the sound. Then the next one is the liver, here on the right side, underneath the rib cage. Inhale green, beautiful green light, and exhale the sound. The next one is the heart. Inhale very beautiful red color, and the sound. Very beautiful red light vibrating in the heart. And then the last sound is for the digestive system, stomach, pancreas. A beautiful yellow light, orange yellow. Inhale and exhale with the sound. Then relax in the center and feel how the organs are vibrating with the light, and the lights vibrating the organ and at the same time come to the center behind the navel to join in a sphere of light. So you can hold your hands there. And from that light emanates a sense of well-being. And this is the whole practice. This is very simple. You know, you saw it takes just a few seconds. And you can do it in the morning, in the evening, anytime you want. The pearl will give you the strength to maintain the integrity of the practice. And if there's any organ where you have a bit more issue, you're having some respiratory issue, some digestive issue, whatever, so you can do more of those sounds.